Hello, in this video I will show you how to make more than $2 in every 2 minutes using Google Translate. So it's a very easy process, and the way that we are going to do is from CPA marketing. So it is similar to affiliate marketing, but over here, besides promoting physical products or digital products, over here you will only be collecting information like email address or phone numbers. So what you have to do is you have to just simply come to this website over here called CPA Grip, and then simply create a free account for lifetime. You don't even have to wait for any verification and stuff. Just simply enter your email address and password and your account will be created. Now, once your account is created right over here, you will be redirected to this page over here. So as you can see, you'll have a live feed of what people are earning from this website every single day. As you can see right now, people are earning a lot of money live, as you can see right over here. So let me show you how you can do this too. So all you have to do is click on the offer tools right over here and click on my offers. Now it will show you the offers from which region you are in. But what you have to do is you have to choose different region. So click on this drop down box and choose any different region, but try not to choose the English region because English is spoken worldwide and you need a smaller niche to be more effective. So you can choose any other niche, like for example, Spanish. So just simply choose Spain and right over here, just simply pick a good offer. So as you can see right over here, you can see the payouts of every single offer. So now how to actually see the offer? All you have to do is simply click on any offer. Like for example, the first one right over here. Click on this offer and then you will be able to see the offer. So now what you have to do is just simply copy this title and go to Google Translate, paste it right over here, and then you will be able to read what the offer is. Now do this for the entire article like this. So all people have to do is just simply enter their mobile number to have a chance to win the product. So now what you have to do is, you have to simply copy this unique link with a unique ID, as you can see right over here. And then just simply go to a website that will promote your CPA link to various outlets across the regional language that you have chosen for absolutely free. And we will be using Google Translate to do that as well. So for doing that, all you have to do is just simply go to this particular website called Traffic AdWar, as you can see right over here. So again, it's a free website. All you have to do is just create a free account. Then just simply go to the website section right over here and then click on your websites. And now what you have to do is you have to paste a link right over here. But before that, first copy this link and open bit.ly, then open bit.ly URL shortener and use this website to create a shorter link. And after that, just simply paste a website right over here. Then click on add a website. Now just simply enter your titles again. So go to the CPA offer and copy the entire thing. Then go to Google Translate and paste it right over here. Now just simply copy and paste everything right over here. So you can also write your own lines if you want to. It's totally up to you. And then just simply paste your line right over here. Now the important part of what language your ad should be. So click on that and just simply choose whatever specific language you've chosen. So in my case, it's going to be Spanish. Now scroll down. In all countries, choose whatever you want to choose. But in my case, I want to go with Spain. Now scroll down and choose your date. So right over here, just simply choose 1 week. Choose your current date and 1 week from now. You can also choose the AM and PM on what time your ad should be shown. So it's totally up to you. But in my case, I'm going to keep it blank. And after that, all you have to do is click on save. And after that, you're good to go. Now, people will automatically find your link and you will be able to make sales. So that's it. And all the relevant links will be available in the description box below. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.